So, what is a Pontiac G8? Well, this is it. So, 07 and 08, Pontiac imported the Holden Commodore, four-door, high-performance sports sedan. And so it's an Australian car. It has, 6-liter LS, 4L80E 6-speed automatic, and independent rear suspension. Today, we tried to put some spark plugs and wires in it. So, let's get started. Doesn't look too good. Doesn't like 160,000 pounds. Look at one of the new plugs. Gosh, plugs. At a 602. See. See. Cap them. Out. You guys kind of get the idea. We're just going to be for the same. Here's number 6. Still pretty easy to get to. Hopefully 8 will be the same. So, back in a little while. So for number 8, I had to use a universal joint on the spark plug socket. All the other ones we were just able to use this length extension on them all, so it's a pretty easy job. Alright, well, spark plugs have been changed. For the wires, I got these United 7828. The reason I got those is they're the ones I could find that had the metal ends like the original ones. They are different though. The new ones have straight boot, the other ones have 90 boot, but we'll give it a try. And these are the ones that are supposed to be for this car, but who knows. Anyway, we'll give it a try. Well, it looks like they fit okay, so we'll use these. Okay, plugs and wires changed. Let's start it up. Sounds good. Let's take it for a rip. Seems to run pretty good. New plugs, new wires. 160 some odd thousand miles. I think they were the originals. 91 degrees outside. It's a little bit warm, but it's not too bad. Probably half throttle. That's nice. Seems to run really well. The next big thing for this car, it's got a two-piece drive shaft. The center carrier bearing must be worn out when you take off hard from a stop. You hear a thump, 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 thump. Got the new bearing. I just need to put it in. On this car, to get to the drive shaft, you have to take the entire exhaust system down. So that'll be a project and a video for another day, but it does need to be done. Runs pretty good. I like it. The only thing I've done to this car since I owned it, was a one-owner car when I bought it. And the only thing I've had to do to it, I put a water pump in it because the bearings get it all clankety. And at one point, the radiator failed. The piece that comes out of the top, where the top hose connects, the little barbed end of the nipple broke right off and the hose popped off. And it dumped all of its coolant instantly. I didn't know it, but the car has a save itself kind of mode. It knew it was getting hot, and it cuts the power to the engine and won't let you run the engine very fast at all, just to limp off the side of the road, and it saved itself. So I got another radiator, put it in, and then for preventive maintenance I got upper and lower hoses, put them in at the same time. I did not do the heater hoses. I probably need to order a set of those. There's a couple different ways you can go on the heater hoses. There's a set you can get that's not the complicated 4-piece set that's original and correct. I think it comes off a later SS or the police. I don't know. I have to figure all that out. I might just get the correct ones. The only mod this car has is a cold air kit. It's had no tune, no lowering, no other mods, nothing. It's got the 18-inch wheels, which is what you got with the all-season tires. If you got the summer tires, you got the 19-inch wheels. I really like the look of the 18s better, and they suit me just fine. Let's turn around here at Kessler's. Kessler Body and Equipment. Good place to get all my barrel inspections done here. The old cars cars, I put everything through their own inspection just so if somebody else look at it and see. Get out here on the road and step on it a bit. Okay, we're all on the road. It's floored. Whoa, just like that, 63 miles an hour. So back on cruise, 56 and a 50, we should be okay. Seems to run just fine. That was with the air on. I think this car is smart enough though that when you floor it, it cuts off the AC compressor. I think older cars did not do that, so you have to turn the air off. It would really drag you down when you try to go full throttle. 235 going north, so or south of Lexington Park. Here, let's do it. Let's do it. On launch. Okay, here we are. See the square body caprice in the other lane? That's what the car's been running around here for years. Guy parks his semi on the side of the road there. He lives back in here somewhere. There's no room in his driveway. So. Well, that'll do it. This project is a success. So. Thank you guys for watching.